In this video, we're exposing the biggest Europe packing mistakes travelers make and how to avoid them. 1. Bringing the wrong bag. Choosing the wrong bag is one of the biggest mistakes travelers make when visiting Europe. A large, heavy suitcase may seem like a good idea, but it will slow you down on cobblestone streets, narrow staircases, and crowded public transport. Many travelers regret bringing huge roller bags, especially when trying to fit them into small train compartments or tiny hotel elevators. A better option is a lightweight carry-on or a durable travel backpack. If you plan to move between cities, having something compact and easy to carry will make your life much easier. Also, keep in mind that European airlines have stricter carry-on weight limits than the US, usually around 7 to 10 kilograms, 15 to 22 pounds. If your bag is too heavy, you'll be forced to check it, adding extra costs and delays. Choose a light, functional bag to avoid unnecessary hassle. 2. Packing. Too many clothes. Overpacking is a common mistake that makes traveling exhausting and inconvenient. Many travelers bring far more clothes than they actually need, filling their suitcase with extra outfits, just in case. But the reality is, you don't need a new outfit every day. Instead of cramming your bag with unnecessary items, focus on versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. A capsule wardrobe with neutral colors, layering options, and lightweight fabrics will keep your luggage manageable while still giving you plenty of outfit choices. Also, don't forget that laundry is available everywhere in Europe. Many hotels, hostels, and Airbnbs have washing machines, and laundry services are easy to find. Packing light will make travel easier, help you avoid airline fees, and leave room for souvenirs. If you can fit everything into a carry-on, you're doing it right. 3. Bringing the wrong shoes. Shoes can make or break your trip, and packing the wrong ones is a mistake you don't want to make. Europe's streets are often uneven, cobblestone, and hilly, making some footwear completely impractical. High heels, brand new shoes, or flimsy sandals can leave you with blisters and sore feet. The key to happy feet is comfort and versatility. A good pair of walking shoes is essential, as you'll likely be on your feet for hours every day. If you want an extra pair, make sure they're lightweight and compact, something like slip-on sneakers or flats. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space in your luggage. Avoid shoes that are only useful for one occasion. Your goal is to pack smart and travel light. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. More essential travel advice is coming your way. 4. Carrying too many toiletries. Bringing a full arsenal of toiletries is a waste of space and weight in your luggage. Many travelers pack full-size shampoo bottles, body washes, and skincare products, only to realize that hotels, Airbnbs, and local stores provide everything they need. Instead of stuffing your bag with heavy liquid containers, opt for travel-sized toiletries or solid alternatives like shampoo bars and soap bars. If you run out of something, you can easily buy more in Europe. Additionally, if you use high-powered hair tools like a curling iron or hair dryer, check the voltage compatibility before packing them. Many US devices won't work with European outlets, even with an adapter, and can burn out or short-circuit. Instead of risking damage, consider bringing a dual-voltage appliance or using the hotel's hair dryer. 5. Forgetting a travel adapter. One of the worst mistakes travelers make is forgetting a travel adapter. European countries use different plug types than the US, so your chargers and electronics won't fit into local outlets. Without an adapter, you'll be stuck with a dead phone, camera, or laptop when you need them most. The best solution? A universal adapter with multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices at once. If you plan to bring high-powered devices like a hair straightener or electric razor, you may also need a voltage converter, otherwise they might not work properly. Some hotels provide adapters, but it's best not to rely on that. Make sure to buy a quality adapter before your trip, so you can keep all your devices charged and ready to go. 6. Packing bulky jackets in summer. Many travelers overestimate how much cold weather gear they need for Europe, especially in the summer months. Unless you're heading to the Alps or visiting in winter, you don't need a heavy coat. A bulky jacket wastes valuable space in your suitcase and adds unnecessary weight. Instead, bring a lightweight, packable jacket or a cardigan that you can layer if needed. For spring and fall trips, a water-resistant jacket is perfect for unexpected rain. A small umbrella or rain poncho is also a smart addition, as summer storms can happen unexpectedly. If you're traveling to a cooler region, wear your heaviest layers on the plane to save luggage space. The goal is to stay warm without overpacking, so choose practical, lightweight outerwear that won't take up half your bag. Enjoying these packing tips? Make sure to subscribe for more smart travel hacks and essential packing advice. 7. Dressing like a tourist. Certain clothing choices immediately mark you as a tourist, making you an easy target for pickpockets and scams. While there's no need to dress like a local, some items stand out in a bad way, such as university sweatshirts, fanny packs worn around the waist, oversized cameras, and zip-off cargo pants. European fashion is practical yet stylish, so opt for simple, neutral outfits that blend in easily. If you plan to visit religious sites, check their modesty dress codes. Some churches require covered shoulders and knees. Bringing a lightweight scarf or shawl can help avoid any issues. While comfort is key, try to dress in a way that doesn't scream tourist. Not only will you avoid unwanted attention, but you'll also blend in better and feel more confident exploring new places. 8. Carrying too much cash. A common mistake among first-time travelers is bringing too much cash. Many assume that they'll need large amounts of euros, but the truth is, most places accept credit cards. Carrying too much cash makes you a target for theft and adds unnecessary stress. Instead, bring a small amount of local currency and use a debit card with low foreign transaction fees to withdraw money as needed. Avoid airport currency exchange booths, as their rates are usually terrible. To keep your money safe, use a hidden money belt or an anti-theft wallet. With contactless payments and mobile wallets widely accepted in Europe, there's no need to carry wads of cash everywhere. Keep it simple, secure, and use your cards whenever possible. 9. Overpacking gadgets and cameras. Technology is great, but packing too many devices is unnecessary and inconvenient. Many travelers lug around laptops, DSLR cameras, extra lenses, and multiple chargers only to barely use them. Unless you're a professional photographer, a good smartphone camera is enough for capturing memories. If you bring a camera, limit it to one lens. Also, don't forget a portable power bank. Your phone will drain quickly from navigation, photos, and travel apps. A light, compact tech setup will save you space, weight, and hassle. 10. Not using packing cubes. A disorganized suitcase makes travel frustrating. Without a system, you'll constantly dig through your bag to find things. Packing cubes solve this problem. They compress clothes, keep items separate, and make unpacking effortless. Use them to organize tops, bottoms, and accessories so you always know where everything is. If you haven't used packing cubes before, you're missing out on one of the easiest packing hacks for a stress-free trip. Packing smart makes your Europe trip easier and stress-free. Now that you know what not to pack, your luggage will be lighter, more organized, and hassle-free. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more travel advice. And before you go, check out our next video. It's packed with even more must-know travel tips to help you avoid common mistakes on your next adventure.